Welcome to HIVE, Lakeland Community College's very own makerspace. Here you can take your projects all the way from ideas to reality. Today I'm excited to tell you about a few projects that are great for introducing new makers to the lab. The lab is where we keep a lot of our highest tech equipment, but don't let that intimidate you. The lab is great for makers of all experience levels. Excited yet? Let's dive into our first project, the laser engraved glass. For this project, all you need is a file of your image or word that you want to engrave, and a glass. Oh, and a laser, of course. This whole project can take as few as 15 minutes and can be broken down into 3 main steps: entering the laser settings, focusing the laser, and watching the magic happen. And there you go! Look at that, isn't she a beaut? Mwah, beautiful, gorgeous. Moving on to our next project, we're going to talk a bit about 3D printing. Depending on what you're printing, the job can take anywhere from a half hour to several hours to finish. But the good news is, you can set the job to print and come back for it later. For this project, you'll need an STL file, and you'll need to pick which 3D printer will be best for your print. Then you enter your print settings and let her rip. The job will run, and HIVE will alert you when it's ready to pick up. Our last project isn't done in the lab, but it's lab adjacent, so we'll let it slide. For this, we'll be printing vinyl stickers on the BN20. Like before, you'll need your file ready of what you want to print. Then the machine gets to work. For a print this size, it should only take a few minutes from start to finish. Then all you need to do is remove the excess vinyl from your print. And there you are, a sticker to celebrate a project well done, or not well done. Both are great ways to learn. These are just 3 examples of projects that you can make at HIVE, but really the possibilities are endless. So come on in and let the making begin.